Hi, I'm Steffi and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make some healthy snacks for your kids this summer. Here I have some ingredients for us to make our homemade granola mix. So we're going to put in about 1 cup, 2 cups of the oats. Got to add in some of our almonds. Cup of the almonds. Okay, we're gonna put in some raisins there. So just a handful of raisins. Next, we're gonna add our craisins to the mix, or our dried cranberries. Okay. Add in some of our chia seeds. And a lot of these ingredients that I have here are good for promoting cardiovascular health. Okay, we're gonna add some of our honey, some oil. Give it a nice mix. All right. We want to add in a little bit more honey because we want our granola mix to have a nice hold when we put it in the oven. So after you mix that, it's good to go. You can put this on a spreadsheet, bake it at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. And after it's completed baking, it usually looks something like this. Smells really good, so it usually looks something like this.